I received some of the messages that from Sheikh Ankur that you are studying MSc Mathematics. So the cost and everything that I will explain at the end of the session, Sheikh. Okay, Madina, that you are working as a career advisor today, that you are participating this live session. That your question is that what is the data science, how it is going to helpful for you. Yes, Madina. So I'm going to explain that what is the data science. Okay, how it is going to use to your career. Right. Yes, Murali Krishna, thank you for your response. So in this session, that what we are going to observe means, I'm going to explain you that what is the data science, what is the machine learning, how this, what is the demand that we are having. Okay, so what is the opportunities that we are having if you go to this data science field and all this. So before going to course, okay, let us observe that myself Srinivas Reddy. I'm a data science trainer. I'm certified from Microsoft. I'm certified from IBM as a data scientist. Right. So here, coming to my experience, I worked nearly, I'm having 10 plus years of experience in this data science and software training and software field. So here, what we are going to discuss in this session means, we are going to discuss about, data science. In this data science, the course, it contains the data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, Python programming, and R programming. So what is the course duration means? It takes a 3 months course. 3 months duration that we are going to spend for the entire course. It's not a tool like just to learn in 20 days or 30 days or 40 days. So it takes some time to to learn the entire data science course. Here we schedule it for 3 months. Right. So what we are going to discuss in this means what is a data science, who is a data scientist, who can become a data scientist, what is the real time process of a data science, what are the applications that we can develop, what are the technologies that we are going to use, what is the prerequisite knowledge that we require to learn this data science course. Before entering into the data, okay, first let us observe what is a data. First let us observe what is data. Actually most of the students, most of them, that they will reply the data means is the information. What is data? Data is the information. See, whenever if you answer like this, then immediately they will ask one more question related to your answer there. What is an information? Is it clear that what I am saying? So here, if you answer that what is the data means, immediately they will answer, they will ask a question that what is the information. So how it is looks means whenever A equals to B automatically B equals to A. Is that clear? So if you answer that data is a information, the meaning here it is the information is also a data, right? But actually, what is the data exactly? Data is a raw fact. What is data? Data is a raw fact. Raw fact means is a collection of characters, numerical values, special characters. So whatever that we are having, whatever the keys that we are having in the keyboard, the collection of all these keys comes under a data. Data will not provide a meaningful statements to the user. Okay. Data will not provide a meaningful statements to the user. For example, let us all of you try to read it. Yes. Try to read it. Is it providing any meaningful statement? But here it is having a collection of characters, collection of numerical values, collection of special characters and all this. All right. So data will not provide a meaningful statements to the user. Data may not provide a meaningful statements to the user. But coming to the information, what is an information means? The processed data. The processed data is called information. What it is? The processed data is called an information. Now let us observe here. Now what I am doing means I'm processing this data. I'm processing this data, and then I'm making it into, okay, let us try to read it. All of you try to read it. What is the meaning of this? It is welcome at the rate 123. It is providing a proper information or not? It is giving a meaningful statement to the user or not? Yes. Yes. So this is called the information. Is that clear? So this is the difference that we are having between the data and the information. Now, coming to this data science. Simply, before going to definition, data science is not simple like a database. It's not simple like just managing a data or manipulating a data. Data science is a multidisciplinary field. What is data science? Data science is a multidisciplinary field where we are going to use the statistics, machine learning, data analysis, and also some other related methods. And also some other related methods, okay, is called a data science. Is that clear? Once again, let us observe this. Data science is a concept of statistics, data analysis, machine learning, and their related methods to understand and analyze with the data. Is that clear, all of you? Right? So we are having a big confusion that what is the AI, what is machine learning, what is deep learning, what is the, okay, what it is having a connection with the data science and all this. Coming to this, artificial intelligence is a technology which is designed to mimic the human brain thinks, which enables the machine to mimic the human behavior. Is it right? Next, coming to the machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence where the machine learns, okay, a set of data and then it is going to predict. Deep learning is the subset of ML which mimics the human thinking capabilities. The collection of these AI, ML, and DL is comes under the data science. So in today's market, that we can observe about this data science in so many medias like social media and so many portals that demand that what we are having. So international technology law Viplovam data science. In one of the newspaper, there's okay in the news they are saying that data science, okay, machine learning law 50,000 jobs. Actually, we know that CS can earn more than the software engineers, but data scientists are earning more than the chartered accounts. On our average salary, the demand, it's not only for the experienced people. We are having so many roles here like data analyst, machine learning developer, finance analyst, business analyst, right? Like senior data scientist, junior data scientist, like this we are having so many roles in this data science. Depends on your experience that we are having the demand. What you can understand just by seeing this, this is the job competition present we are having. Today's it is very hard to find the data scientist in the market. It's very hard, right? So this is the okay like this the competition is present, okay, situation. So this is the best time to learn this data science course. Coming to this data science, if you want to become a data scientist, what are the things that you have to know means statistics is very important. Statistics is very important. Just now one of the student charted that is belongs to stats and something. If your stat belongs to stats, okay, 100% that you are eligible to learn this. Why? Because the entire data science course is depending on the stats, depending on the stats. All right. But if you know only the stats or if you use only the statistical tools and all this, then you can become a data scientist. I'm sorry, you can become a statistician, not a data scientist. If you want to become a data scientist, if you want to become a data scientist, okay, here that we require the statistical skills plus computer skills, not only the statistical skills, right? With some domain knowledge. So if you have these skills that you can become a data scientist. Data scientist. So modern data scientist, here we required some more skills, okay, that to become a modern data scientist and all this. So what is the real-time process of a data science? What is the real-time process of a data science? Coming to this real-time process of a data science, that you can observe that in this real-time process of a data science, first you have to collect the data from the real world. First you have to collect the data from the real world. That how to collect the data from the real world? Here we are having so much of data, like structured data, unstructured data, okay, like that we are having so much of data. So here we are going to collect those structured or unstructured data. After collecting, then we have to start the processing. After that, then we have to start the processing here. Is it right? So after collecting the data, then we have to start the processing, clean the data, and then we have to start the analysis. We have to apply the machine learning algorithms that we are going to make it into the graphical representation. Finally, we are going to deploy this. It is a recycle process. It will, okay, never end process it is, right? So continuously the work is going on. So that's why we are saying it is a cyclic process. Yes, Teja, that your current marketing profile, please let me know this. Missing a career. So here, what type of data that we can consider as missing data means, once if you observe this example here, that you can find, okay, if you observe this is one of the real-time data of the student's information. The student who is graduated in the year of okay, the student who is graduated in the year of this 2006, at the time of graduation, the student age is 18. Here you can observe that one of the student who is graduated in the year of 2006, here the age is nothing. So this type of data that we can consider as a missing data. This type of data that we can consider as missing data. Right? So let us start working with the data science applications. So can you please type some of the applications that present what we are using? All of you, please try to type in the chart. Let us observe that what are the applications that we are going to use. Gmail is comes under. So why? Because at the time of receiving the messages that will, okay, it moves to inbox and spam. Where the system is having the capability, your system is having the capability to find whether that message is, okay, useful to the user or not. Tickets, bus tickets, Red Bus, Paytm, Ola Cab, word prediction, next word prediction, true caller. Before lifting the call, that we can observe the, okay, who is calling. So many, not one and two, we are having so many applications. Even if your belongs to the marketing profile, if your belongs to the finance profile, okay, if your belongs to the medical profile, everywhere, in everywhere that we are going to use this. Self-driving, one of the most, okay, important biggest project in the world. How many of you know about Amazon Go? How many of you know about Amazon Go? It's one of the advanced shopping mall with advanced technology. Now, what are the technologies that we are going to use here means we are going to use the Python programming, R programming, right? These are the programming languages. Coming to the concept of statistics and machine learning, okay, we are going to use the machine learning libraries and all this. Prerequisiting knowledge, don't need to worry about this. Why? Because Python, okay, Python is recently everyone is start learning the Python is not a, okay, existing that already it is available in academics. It's not, it is available in academics. All right. So we are going to start the Python programming here very basic level onwards, and coming to the statistics also very basic, not required any specializations or special courses or something on this statistics. So whatever that you learn about whatever that you learn in your 9th and 10th standard, that is more enough here. So in our course curriculum that we planned, okay, this statistics from very basic level, like what is mean, what is median, what is the standard deviation, from their level onwards that we are going to start the course. Right. Next, let us talk about the machine learning. Machine learning. Right. What is machine learning? What is the stats and machine learning? Programming, traditional programming versus the machine learning. How machines will think like a human? What are the responsibilities that we are having in all this? So I'm not going to say any. I'm not going to explain you any like definitions and all this here. Just I'm simply that what I'm saying means machine learning is similar like a human learning. As a humans, that whatever the capabilities that we are having, like reading, okay, however that we are going to read, however that we are going to listen, however that we are going to think, analyze, predict, the same capabilities the machine is also having. The same capabilities machine is also having. So that is called the machine learning. However that we are going to learn based on our experience. Similarly, machines learn from the data, learn from the historical data, and then it will follows the instructions. And then it will follows the instructions. Sheikh Medina, that you Sheikh Medina asking the difference between the data scientist and data analyst. See, data analyst only do the analysis on the data. Data scientist can do analysis and predictions on the data. For example, what about yesterday's sales? The analysis of the yesterday's sales will done by the data analyst. What about tomorrow's sales? The prediction of tomorrow's sales will predict by the data scientist. By the data scientist. And Sheikh Anur, that you are asking that our language is helpful for the statistician. 100% it is going to helpful for the statistician. Do you know that R is purely a statistical programming language? R is developed for the purpose of doing the statistical analysis. For purely it is developed for doing the statistical analysis. 100% this R is going to helpful for us to do the statistical analysis on the data. Yes, Sheikh Anur, 100% it is going to helpful. Right? So what is the difference between the statistics and machine learning is, see, just by seeing that pic, they are showing the, okay, just for this crack, they are showing that it is the statistics. They're adding some frame and finally they are saying it is a machine learning. What it means for statistics, that if you add some computer skills, then it is called the machine learning. Then it is called the machine learning. Coming to the differences here, traditional programming versus the machine learning. Traditional programming, okay, so normally if you take any C, C++, Java or any other programming language here, just we'll take the data and then we'll give the program for that. Based on this input and program, it will give the output. This is a common case. Like for example, A equal to 10, B equal to 20. If I give the program, it is A plus B, then it will give the output 30. But how the machine is going to work here means based on the data and output. So it is going to, okay, it is going to take the input and output, and finally it is going to give the result, that it is called the program, that is called the predictive model. Right? Yes. So if you have any queries, please type in the chat that we will discuss. So coming to this DataHill Solutions, okay, we are providing, we are giving some of the features, not only a course here. So here we are providing course completion certificate. Here we are providing the course completion certificate. After completion of the course, DataHill Solutions is recognized by the Government of India and it is accepted by MSME. Right? So for every session that we are going to provide the recording session, and also we'll provide the materials and assignments. Right? The live session that we'll provide the recording at that, okay, in live, if you miss some technical or some other, no problem, that you can go through it and then you can work. Next, everything that we are going to work with the live scenarios, real-time live scenarios that we are going to work. Not only the course, Here we are going to support, okay, to get the job for you, like resume preparation, interview preparation. We are going to conduct the mock interviews through Skype and telephonic. Okay, so we are having multiple batches daily, morning, evening, and weekend. So if you want to shift the batch from morning to evening, evening to morning, or weekends, that you can, okay, shift the batch as per your convenient, as per your office timings. So once if you register with this data science course, once if you register with this data science course, okay, that you can attend any number of batches without paying any extra fees. Without paying any extra fees, okay, that you can attend any number of batches. So 1 month job support that we are giving for the successfully placed student. Not only the course that you can learn in any platform. If you search in Google data science by Srinivas Reddy or DataHill Solutions, you can find my courses in different platforms like Udemy. In Udemy, nearly 60,000 students are registered my courses. Those are very basic level. Those courses, okay, just there, that is like one promotion. Okay, just we are promoting our course in those platforms. There you will not, okay, get the job by going those courses. Just it is for the introduction part of data science and machine learning, NumPy, Pandas, and all this. Okay, so this is a completely a placement, okay, related course it is.